God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Birthmas. Thank you guys. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. That means the thumbnail caught your attention, and I hope you stay to the end. And for those who are always returning, thank you for being a real one. Thank you for continuing to support me. I really appreciate it. So today it is going to be a Valentine's Day look, and as you guys know, Valentine's Day is coming up, so I want to give y'all some inspiration, give you a little something just in case you don't know what to do, in case you're going out, whether you're with someone or not. Honey, you're cute, okay? So as you guys can see, I always start off with my brows already done and my lids already primed, just to make this process a little easier. Today I'm gonna dip into an OG, and I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill Vol.2 Palette. I love these colors. So I'm starting out with this shade, and this is called Heart On. This is gonna be my transition shade. Now I'm going to use this shade, and it is called Living My Best. Okay, we trying to live our best life, period. I always say this, but I feel like I always have to say it again. I think it's very important to pat on your eyeshadow before blending it out, because this is where you actually get the most pigment. It will also help your eyeshadow not come out messy as well. So patting it on your lid and then blending out the edges is the most effective. Then I'm going to go back with my previous color, and I'm just going to blend out the edges just so that it's not too harsh and that everything just blends seamlessly. So to prime my eyelid, I'm going to use my Too Faced Ethereal Light Concealer, and this is in the shade Ginger Snap. I'm going to pat it on, and then I'm going to take a flat brush and just basically like brush it out. Honestly, I just need to hurry up and get my hands on this P. Louise primer, because I don't know what I'm waiting for. I keep seeing it and it looks so good. Taking my flat brush, and I'm just gonna brush it down. Well, pat it down. And I'm gonna make sure that it's not too perfect, because I don't want the super perfect look, but I want like a seamless effect. So it's kind of like a cut crease without it being a cut crease. So I'm gonna like brush it down just to brush the red color. I'm gonna brush it down because I'm gonna push the red color into the concealer and just kind of go back and forth and overlay it. Now I'm gonna take my small flat round brush and the Sephora collection pressed powder, and I'm just gonna set the concealer before I put on the eyeshadow on the base. Now me personally, I like to set my concealer when it comes to eyeshadow. I see that some people don't do that, but I feel like it definitely is better when you set it. I've done concealer, well, I've done eyeshadow without setting it, and it picks up. So I definitely recommend setting it, but whatever works for you. So now I want to go into this peach shade, but I don't know how it's gonna look. So now I'm gonna go into this white color, and this is in the shade Certified, and we're gonna use this as the lid. So here's when it's time to overlay, and this is when it really gets important. So I'm going to take that same brush I used for the red, and I'm going to blend out the edges of the white, just so, like I said, we can get that seamless look, as if it's like an effortless, you know, lid that was just put on, you know, just to make it really look natural. Sometimes you might lose that color along the way, and that's why I said it's important to like overlay, go back and forth. As you can see right here, I'm losing some of the white, but I'm just gonna go back with the white and just like pat it on, and then go back with the red and just blend back and forth. So this part actually takes a lot of patience, okay? Now that we got that done, I feel like I lost some of the red, so I want to like bring some of that red back to the look. Now I'm gonna take my LA Color black eyeliner and we're gonna snatch the wing, okay? My favorite part. The crazy thing is, I feel like I did a look like this already. Like, dude, is it just me? Like, sometimes you just feel like you running out of looks to do. So I gotta do something that's just gonna make this just look different. Instead of leaving the black liner, using this as an outline, I'm gonna actually make my liner red. So I'm gonna use this shade Livin' My Best. I'm gonna just outline black liner. Okay, this is so much better. Now it's really given. It's like that extra pop to it. Okay, so this is the face so far. If you want to know about the face details, foundation and everything, make sure that you check out my everyday makeup routine. It's definitely in that video. So now we're gonna add some lashes, and these are the I Envy Remy lashes. I had these lashes for a while and I like to use my Envy glue. This is the only glue that works for me that does not make my eyes swell. If you have sensitive eyes, I promise y'all, get this glue. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think of this look down below. Like I said before, all the products are going to be down below in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. I think it looks really nice. I really like that the red liner just made it more of a Valentine's Day kind of vibe, which is what I was going for anyway. But with that being said, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you guys in my next video.